Is it time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 25th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 11th of November, 2024, our system has identified SOXL as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 4.06. Now let's examine the exchange-traded fund's performance during this time frame. The ETF has faced a loss of negative 10.45%. This equates to an average daily loss of negative 0.95% since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating the likelihood of further decreases. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential decline of approximately 8.22% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 28.4% to positive 22.54%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 4.94% over the next year, with a potential return between negative 11.77% and positive 150.12%. This translates to a price range between $25.89 to $73.38 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SOXL features the headline, SOXL ETF price up 3% on Monday. The SOXL ETF price increased by 3% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 25th of November, 2024, rising from $28.49 to $29.34. This marks 3 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the upcoming days. During the last trading session, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 4.73%, with a low of $28.74 and a high of $30.10. The price has shown some volatility during this period, resulting in a loss of 10.45% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume increased on the last day, coinciding with the price rise, which is a favorable technical indicator, with 16 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 67 million shares changed hands, valued at approximately $1.98 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest was $21.29. Currently, the price stands 58.13%, or $40.74, below the 52-week high, and 92.24%, or $348.90, below the all-time high reached on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. The Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x Shares Exchange Traded Fund, known as SOXL, has recently experienced notable volatility. After an extraordinary run that saw returns nearing 400% from late October 2023 through July 2024, the ETF has faced a sharp decline, with shareholder value reduced by nearly half since its peak. This downturn can be attributed to a challenging technical environment and high valuations within the semiconductor sector, along with increased insider selling. Looking at the broader landscape, SOXL has been one of the standout performers over the long term, boasting an impressive 2,085% gain over the last decade and 186% over the past 5 years. Sustained demand for semiconductors, particularly driven by advancements in artificial intelligence and cloud computing, has kept investor interest alive. As these high-demand technologies continue to expand, they offer a solid foundation for potential rebounds in ETF performance. The semiconductor sector, represented by SOXL, currently reflects mixed signals. While the S&P 500 Semiconductors Index surged over 80% this year, the high volatility associated with SOXL underscores the inherent risks for investors. In the short term, SOXL may encounter pressure from profit-taking and broader market corrections, but the long-term outlook remains promising, supported by ongoing technological advancements and increasing demand for semiconductors. Investors should be mindful of the volatility and assess their risk tolerance when trading in this leveraged instrument. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, November 15, 2024, and so far it has risen approximately 10.05%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is rising in tandem with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, and these may influence the near-term development. The SOXL ETF holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Concurrently, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the ETF, suggesting a more negative outlook. With further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $33.18. Conversely, in the event of a decline, the ETF will find some support from the short-term average at $27.95. A breakout above the long-term average will trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will add another sell signal, thereby reinforcing the general signal. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots provided a buy signal 7 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 157 days ago. The short-term moving average showed a buy signal 4 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 23 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average gave a sell signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 89 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 80 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. SOXL finds support from accumulated volume at $28.46, which may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support level is tested. This exchange-traded fund can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. The Bollinger Band suggests a wide prediction interval, categorizing this ETF as high risk. Over the previous day, the ETF fluctuated by $1.36, or 4.73%. In the past week, it has exhibited an average daily volatility of 5.29%. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $32.16. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this level could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL finds its first support level at $28.46. Should this support level hold, it might serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our assessment of this exchange-traded fund is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop-loss in place. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? Currently, SOXL exhibits several negative indicators, leading us to believe it will continue to perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative outlook on this ETF. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 26th of November, we anticipate that SOXL will open at 5.32 cents and begin trading at $29.39. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.